Giving my cat a bath.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna give her a bath and she doesn't know it yet. And she hates water, but I'm trying to get her used to water. So let's see how this goes.
She's almost scratched my neck.
What you're not gonna do is that. You better calm your ass down. What the fuck is wrong with you? God. No one done scratched my fucking face off. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. You see daddy take showers all the time. See, you're all clean. Now it's time to dry her. Hey, espérate. Wait a minute. Damn, girl. My God, you're all wet. Look at her. She said, I want out. I want out.
Heavy Tito toe beans. Toe beans.
This is warm, this thing. No, but look, no. Oh, sorry. He's all... Oh my God.